Alright, so we decided to take a ferry across from Kentucky.
What's up, y'all? So right here we're taking a ferry, guys. We're taking the ferry across the river. There was a wreck on the highway we were going to. So we're right over there. That's pretty cool how he pivoted around. The boat was facing that way, guys, and he did a reverse or sideways bend, and it flipped around, and now it's facing this way. That's pretty cool. It's called the Deborah A, guys. This is pretty cool. And the ferry's full too, guys. It's packed full.
I mean, two more cars could have got in,
could have came.
but
awesome, guys. This is the first time we took a ferry.
no, we had one. Look, we took a ferry.
Hey, can we get out?
Please don't go swimming.
Huh?
Please don't go swimming.
Oh, we won't.
Look at all the cars waiting to come.
He's running around this way.
This is awesome.
The side of the boat, his boat though, hit the...
Well, I mean, that's what it's supposed to do. It guides it. Look at how pretty the tree line is.
I know exactly where we are, Michelle.
I know where we're at.
It's right up that hill, that job I did.
Yeah, I know. I told you right where we was coming out at.
Right there, right where I did that job at. That's hilarious.
Back all them years ago.
Right up the...
All them years.